Hello and welcome to the Rdl Configurable Dante Interfaces tutorial. In this presentation, I'll review the features and benefits of our DDR31, DDR40, and DDR42 series of software configurable Dante interfaces. I'll start by reviewing the common features found in each of these models. Rdl configurable units are complete, professional-grade, wall-mounted Dante interfaces. Each model includes Rdl's renowned mic preamplifiers that are coupled through XLR jacks housed in a steel chassis with either dual powder-coated or stainless steel Decora front plates. They offer high-resolution 24-bit analog to digital and digital to analog conversion, and they include Rdl's legendary analog filtering to enhance their audio performance. Each unit was meticulously engineered to produce studio-quality fidelity and low noise performance. All settings are configured and adjusted using either Rdl's control software called Rdl Console or by other network control software. I'll provide a brief overview of Rdl Console later in this presentation. All units operate on PoE power and include two LEDs on the front panel which indicate and confirm electrical power and Dante network synchronization. These units fit in standard US dual-gang electrical boxes or in Rdl's WB2 back boxes, which are ideal for installations in thinner European walls or equivalent walls. All models are available in white, black, or stainless steel finishes that match any system design or style. Plus, there's an optional custom graphics feature available, which is located on each model's product page on our website. Now let's review the specific features for each model. Our first model is the DDR31 wall-mounted bi-directional mic line Dante interface 4x4. This unit provides 4 audio inputs and 4 outputs for a Dante audio network. The input connectors consist of 2 XLRs, 2 RCA jacks, and 1 stereo mini jack on the front panel. The output connectors include 1 stereo mini jack on the front panel and 2 balance outputs located on the rear panel on detachable terminal block. Again, all settings are configured and adjusted through network control software. The 2 XLR inputs independently convert mic or line level sources to separate Dante network channels. Each have 5 gain settings available to match condenser or dynamic mic levels and standard line levels. 3 of these settings are for mic gain, which are 35, 42, or 59 dB, and 2 are for line gain, which are either unity or 12 dB. For condenser microphones, 48-volt phantom power is available and selectable per input. The phantom power option becomes available or appears in the control software when an XLR input is set for mic level. This option is automatically removed or disappears when an input is set for line level. The mini jack and RCA jacks convert unbalanced -10 dBV inputs to the other 2 Dante channels. Each of these inputs can be configured to feed one or both of the Dante channels. Multiple input sources that are fed to a single Dante channel are summed together. Here are a few examples. For stereo audio systems, both the RCAs and mini jacks left and right inputs could be configured to feed 2 Dante channels. This would allow a user to connect a stereo source to either of these inputs, or to combine 2 separate stereo sources together. For mono applications such as constant voltage audio systems, both sets of jacks could be configured as mono inputs. In this instance, the left and right signals from the 2 RCA jacks are fed and summed to 1 Dante channel, and the stereo signal inputs from the mini jack are fed and summed to the other Dante channel. The DDR31 converts all 4 Dante audio channels to line level outputs. 2 of the channels are converted to unbalanced -10 dBV line level signals, which feed the front panel mini jack. This output is ideal to feed audio equipment such as audio mixers and recording devices. The other 2 Dante output channels are converted to balanced +4 dBU line level signals, which feed the terminal block on the rear panel. These outputs can be wired balanced or unbalanced. These terminal block outputs can be directly connected to audio equipment such as power amplifiers. They're also intended for connection to Rdl's AMS audio connectors, which are mounted in Decora style plates, and Rdl's D-series jack plates, which are also Decora style. Both of these offer additional audio connectors such as XLRs, RCAs, mini jacks, and 1/4-inch jacks. The AMS connector plates and D-series jack plates match the design of these interfaces and may be located together in a triple gang box or mounted remotely in a separate box. These rear panel outputs are equipped with software-controlled attenuators, which are adjustable in 1 dB steps to a maximum attenuation of 62 dB, then off. This intricate level of adjustment provides ultra-smooth and precise volume control. Next is the DDRN40 wall-mounted bidirectional mic line Dante interface 4x2. This unit provides 4 audio inputs and 2 outputs for a Dante audio network. The input connectors consist of 4 XLRs on the front panel, and there are 2 balanced outputs on the rear panel on detachable terminal block. The 4 XLR inputs independently convert mic or line level signals to 4 Dante channels. Each input has 5 software selectable gain settings available. 3 are for mic gain, which are 35, 42, or 59 dB, and 2 are for line gain, which are unity or 12 dB. 48-volt phantom power is available and selectable per input. This phantom power option becomes available when an input is set for mic level and is automatically removed when an input is set for line level. The DDRN40 converts 2 Dante output channels to balance +4 dBu line level signals, which feed the terminal block connectors on the rear panel. These outputs can be wired balanced or unbalanced. The terminal block outputs can be directly connected to audio equipment or to Rdl's AMS audio connector plates and D-series jack plates. Again, these Decora-style products are designed to match these interfaces and may be located together in a triple gang box or mounted remotely in a separate box. Like the previous model, each output is equipped with a software-controlled attenuator that provides level adjustment in 1 dB steps for smooth and precise volume control. Next is the DDRN42 wall-mounted bidirectional mic line Dante interface 4x2. This unit provides 4 audio inputs and 2 outputs for a Dante audio network. The input connectors consist of 2 XLRs on the front panel and 2 balanced inputs on detachable terminal block on the rear panel. And this unit has 2 XLR outputs on the front panel. The 2 XLR inputs convert mic or line level audio sources to Dante channels. Again, each have 5 gain settings available. 3 are for mic gain and 2 are for line gain. And 48-volt phantom power is available and selectable per input. There are 2 additional inputs on terminal block on the rear panel. Control software is used to set the input gain to support either +4 dBu or -10 dBV line level signals. These inputs can be wired balanced or unbalanced. These terminal block inputs are also intended to connect to Rdl's AMS connectors and D-series jack plates, which offer a variety of additional input jacks. And as I mentioned earlier, the Decora designs match these interfaces perfectly so they can be mounted together or separately. The DDRN42 converts 2 Dante audio channels to balance +4 dBu line level, which feed 2 XLR outputs on the front panel. Both outputs are equipped with software-controlled attenuators that provide level adjustments in 1 dB steps for ultra-smooth and precise volume control. Now let's review the features of Rdl Console, our network control software. Rdl Console is a network control software program designed for adjusting and setting Rdl's configurable Dante audio products, and for storing and retrieving the configurations of individual units and entire systems. This software operates in conjunction with Audinate's Dante controller software, which you may know is primarily used for routing the audio signals in a Dante network system. Rdl Console complements Dante controller's signal routing features by adding the ability to adjust the audio settings in Rdl configurable units that are active on the network. Settings like audio input gain, output levels, turning phantom power on or off, and more are now adjustable with a click of a mouse. Rdl Console also comes with a suite of optional tools that can simplify and expedite the configuration process. This software has the ability to record individual and multi-unit audio settings, record the specific models that are installed in a system, and it can import this stored information for additional needs. When you launch the program, Rdl Console automatically discovers every Dante unit on the network, including other manufacturers' Dante products. All discovered products are represented by unit access panes, which appear in the software's dashboard. Each unit access pane provides specific information such as the product's name, manufacturer, model, IP address, and MAC address. It also identifies whether a unit is active or offline, if an Rdl unit's settings have been saved to the current site library, and which units are software configurable. All unit settings and adjustments are made in the Unit Settings control panel, which are available for every Rdl configurable unit. The lower portion of this panel is used to adjust and store the audio settings in each unit, such as signal input gain, output level, and phantom power. The top section provides specific unit information and the options to download or save the settings of select units as settings profiles. A settings profile can be saved as a template to be used later for quickly configuring other same model units, or to record a specific unit's settings installed at a particular worksite. These settings profiles can be stored in a site library or the global library, which both reside on your computer. And from these libraries, you can import or load a settings profile to the current unit you're configuring. Rdl Console allows you to index or catalog all of the units installed at a particular worksite using Microsoft Excel. With the push of a button, every unit's name, manufacturer, model, IP address, MAC address, and any specific keywords saved for each unit will be exported from a site library to an Excel spreadsheet. You could use this information as a record of the product sold to a customer or as an as-built record of the final units installed at a particular site. These spreadsheets can also be used to import multiple units to a site library. In an example, you could use this import feature to upload the stored units originally installed at a location to the current site library on your computer before connecting to the network. Then simply connect to the network and let Rdl Console's auto-discovery process find all the active units, which only takes a few moments. Once complete, the discovered or found units would be compared to the imported units. A unit access pane's header will change from green to red when a stored unit is offline. This typically indicates that particular unit has lost its data connection or has physically been removed from the network. In addition to storing multiple units in a system, Rdl Console can export and import the settings of multiple units using Microsoft Excel. All the unit settings saved in any site library or the global library can be exported to an Excel spreadsheet with the push of a button. This is a convenient way to store all Rdl configurable unit settings for a particular customer or worksite. You could use this feature for altering or updating unit configurations offline by making adjustments directly to the spreadsheet. And with the push of a different button, these Excel spreadsheets can be used to import multiple unit settings to the current site library. This feature provides a fast and convenient way to configure multiple systems that are identical or similar in design, such as classrooms or multiple boardrooms at a large facility. And as a great time saver and a benefit to those who work from home, use a saved spreadsheet or generate a blank template for creating a base configuration for future systems well before the installation begins. More information about these and many additional features can be found in the Help menu that's inside the Rdl Console program and by watching the Rdl Console Quick Start series of videos located on the Rdl Console page on our website. There are several ways to quickly find our Dante products and related information on our website. From the home page, on the upper right side, type the model number into the search field. The search field starts to auto-populate products as you type. The more characters you enter, the more detailed the search. Another way to search is click on the Products tab located in the homepage header. Here you will see a subcategory for Dante. Clicking this brings up every Dante product we make. Or if it's a specific series or shape you're after, you can search in the View Products by Series section at the bottom. On the product page, you'll find a list of features. Plus, underneath you'll find additional view options and tabs that provide full descriptions, product specifications, related or similar products, the accessories for this model, downloadable information, and more. In the Product Resources section to the right, you'll find the downloadable datasheet for that product and a link to the Rdl Console software page. On the Rdl Console page, you'll find the download link for installing this free software. Then scroll down to find downloadable resource documents, links to all the Rdl configurable products, and a series of quick start videos to help you quickly learn the Rdl Console program. Be sure to see all of our product training modules located on our website homepage under the Reference tab. In summary, Rdl's configurable products' superior performance specifications make them ideally suited for the most demanding installations and are an exceptional value in commercial networked audio systems. These full-featured products are engineered and manufactured in the USA for continuous duty and demanding installations. Simply put, they're designed to outperform and built to last. And that wraps up this presentation. We hope you found this information helpful, and we appreciate you taking the time to learn about our RDL Configurable Dante interface products. Thank you.